Is your messy room quietly killing your focus? You think it is just a mess. Your brain thinks it is a war. Every pile of clothes is a heavy mental tax. Clear your space, and you clear your entire life. Ready to master the psychology of a clean home? First, we look at visual noise. Next, the secret of identity-based habits. Stay for the morning momentum hack. Sign 1. You hate visual noise for a reason. Physical clutter competes for your attention. Facts. Your brain registers a mess as unfinished business. This overloads your system and causes fatigue. Take 5 minutes to clear one surface daily. Signal safety to your nervous system immediately. Jill, is your desk messy right now? Fix it. The next point explains why you stay messy. Sign 2. You lack environmental control. Life is unpredictable, and that causes anxiety. But your home is your own domain. Restoring order says, I am in charge here. Sign 3. It is about identity, not cleaning. Stop saying I am messy. Say I am neat. Identity-based habits become automatic over time. Your brain updates its picture of who you are. Wash the dishes right after you eat, no delay. Repeated actions shape self-concept. Period. Sign 4. You use morning momentum properly. Make your bed the very first act of the day. This generates a powerful completion loop. You get a dopamine hit for small wins. Bet. Sign 5. You practice behavioral activation. Physical action shifts your emotional state. Dishes get done, and something inside you settles. A clean room communicates safety to your mind. Shrink the start. Never let the pile grow. Large tasks are easy to avoid forever. Watch out. Your home is a physical expression of your standards. It reflects what you believe you deserve, no cap. Stop settling for chaos. Start settling for peace. Maintain just one space for 7 days. Try it. If you live in mess, you live in stress. High levels of stress hormones are found in messy homes. Cleaning is a deeply physical sensory experience. Wipe the counter while the coffee brews. Stack it. Attach cleanliness to existing triggers in your life. You're not lazy. You just lack a system. Automation is self-sustaining. Discipline burns out. Clean people do not love scrubbing floors. They love the clarity that follows the scrub. Are you ready to become a neat person? Build your war room for your mind. A quiet space leads to a sharp mind. Neuroplasticity works best in the morning. Rewire your brain through small, tidy actions. Spend 10 minutes tidying before sleeping. Create a psychological boundary before you rest. Everything in your home should have a place. Visual noise is background hum that never stops. You deserve a restful and relaxing home. You're someone who follows through on commitments. Small wins multiply into giant results. By the end of the day, you have crushed it. Stop believing that you are a messy person. Identity is built through evidence from actions. The evidence is the made bed and the clean sink. Do this consistently for 66 days. Transition from force to natural flow. Automation makes life easy and stress-free. Review, control, identity, momentum, and sensory calm. Clean home, clean mind. Simple logic. Most people ignore their environment until it breaks them. But you notice everything now. Facts. Make it enjoyable. Put on your favorite music. Turn the chore into a ritual of power. The world needs your sharp and clear mind. No more lagging. No more mental fatigue. You're the kind of person who shows up. Right start if you're cleaning today. Subscribe to Clearway for more mental secrets. Stay curious. Stay clear. Goodbye.